Hi, Terry. Hi, Sprite.
Whitman.
You here to see your aunt because I think she started a presentation about the importance of apex predators in our ecosystem.
That's ironic, since she helped wipe out an entire species of them.
What species did Sersi help to wipe out?
Deviants. You see this right here? This was a deviant's head.
Well, actually, it's the head of a smilodon, a genus of the extinct Machaerodontinae subfamily.
Why can't they ever get Thena's likeness right?
It's Athena. Athena.
Just Thena. No A. See that spear she's holding? In real life, it's made of cosmic energy.
Cosmic energy.
She's like family to me.
Really? What's your power, then?
I make illusions. The reason humans are at the top of the food chain is because you believe in structures and principles that don't actually exist. Gods, nations, money. All concepts, stories, illusions. And guess who taught them to you? Me.
You do know an awful lot for your age.
I'm older than you think. So I hear you've asked Sersi to move in with you.
Has been discussed.
Cool, listen, there are some things you should know. She's not over her ex-boyfriend. They broke up a century ago. He's hot and he can fly.
Look. I know you don't like us dating. It must be hard growing up without parents. Sersi being all that you have. But I love her. And I promise not to take her away from you.
Well, fine. Go for it then.
What? What is it?